Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. I'm MD Rahman. My ID number 181291207. My presentation topic is how does metastasis occur. At first, I want to talk about the definition of metastasis. Metastasis is the word to describe a cluster of cancer cells in one area that arose from a cancer another region of the body. Cancer that is spread in this way is called metastatic cancer. Then I want to talk about the importance of meta studies. The ability to meta studies is one major characteristics that distinguishes malignant tumor from begun non carcinous tumor. Some begun tumors are grow to quite large and causes significant problem, especially if they are in enclosed space such as brain. Yet this tumor do not expand to another region of the body. Then I want to talk about the why do cancer expand. Normal cells do not expand beyond the area where they belong. For example, lung cells do not travel to the heart even though they are nearby. The reason for this is the normal cells have additional chemicals that are somewhat like glue that keeps the different cells together in their area of region. The mega status process is not yet entirely understood. I sometimes cancer cells may lose the additional chemicals and break up a tumor, becoming loose and mobile and free to travel through lymphatic vessels or blood streams, and thus occur cancer cell. Uh, then I have to talk about the how do cancer meta studies. There are several different ways that cancer cell spread. At first, I want to talk about the locally or regionally. When big tumor grows, they do so as a solid mass, as if there is a clear boundary containing them. In constant cancer cell invade neighboring tissue in a invasive invasive manner, which can appear like uh, tent cell. It is in fact the cloud-like extension of cancer into other tissues from which the name originates. Cancer began derived from the Greek word from the color and craft. Then I have to talk about the through the blood streams. Cancer cells can enter the blood stream and travel to another region of the body through the lymphatic system. We know that lymphatic system is an important system in our body. In this system, the cancer cell also travels and if affected in another normal cell, who is if affected cancer through the airways, such as lung. In addition to this method, to meta studies above, recent studies suggest that lung cancers likely spread through the airways of the lung. Then I want to talk about the symptom of meta studies. There are several symptoms are appeared of meta studies, such as lung meta studies may cause a persistent cough, shortness of breath, and chest pain. Brain metastasis may causes headache, vision loss, seizure, numbers of weakness of the arms or legs, and loss of balance. Bone metastasis may occur. Pain in the regions where the affected bone is located, as well as elevated calcium levels in the blood streams, and cause different types of bone disease. And also causes in blood level low is called hypercalcemia. Then I want to talk about the treatment of metastatic cancer. The treatment of metastatic cancer will depend upon the location of the primary tumor. Metastatic cancer cannot usually be cured, but is treatable. Newer modifications such as treatments, targeted therapy, and immunotherapy are improve the survival rates of for some people with metastatic cancer. There are several types of cancer anti-cancer drugs such as methotrexate and vinblastine, vincristine, and cyclophosphamide and meclorithamine, and different types of drugs which treat the cancer. It's my short presentations about the meta studies. Thank you, sir.